Khalam, or medicated buttermilk, is a delightful blend of flavors and health benefits. Start with a small piece of ginger. Boil it with 2 cups of buttermilk for a minute, then mix in 2 pinches of Asafoetida, turmeric, and pepper, along with rock salt to taste. This refreshing drink is not just tasty, it's an excellent appetizer and aids recovery from illness. It's especially helpful for colds, coughs, and digestive issues. Just a heads up, if you're lactose intolerant, be cautious, as buttermilk can trigger allergic reactions. Enjoy this nutritious boost.